What's up? Noah Best here, and today is going to be all about a full review of the Airpods Max in 2023. And so, let's get into it. Although originally met with some controversy, the Airpods Max seem to now be the creme de la creme of over-the-ear wireless closed-back headphones. So let's start with the design. The Airpods Max are really a very elegant design, high quality, and overall a very comfortable headset. They are made with stainless steel and aluminum. The ear cups are aluminum and the frame is stainless steel, and it really provides a sort of premium feeling build, which can help justify the price because of how well it's built compared to other noise cancelling headphones, which are obviously plastic. The stainless steel frame feels really premium in your hands, and the breathable mesh canopy really helps disperse the weight and makes it very comfortable to wear and does not even fatigue me over time like many others do. And something that I love very much are the telescopic arms, which smoothly adjust the size of the headset to fit your head. Now, many other headphones, especially the plastic ones that we see, use a sort of click method where you would adjust it and they would click every time. But here it's very smooth and very elegant again, which allows a nice smooth, premium, and luxury feel. Now let's move on to the most crucial aspect of any pair of headphones, which is sound quality. Now, the Airpods Max truly do deliver a sonic experience unlike any other. Apple's drivers paired with spatial audio are something unreal and out of this world, and something you don't really understand until you try it. With their custom-built amplifiers and rich drivers, the Airpods Max truly deliver a sound experience like no other wireless headset. The sound itself is fairly balanced, although there is a bit of emphasis that is on the bass, so it's definitely not audiophile grade because obviously you're using it over Bluetooth and not actually plugged in. And of course you can plug them in, although Apple will charge you $40 for the cord in order to get higher quality sound. But in reality, the Airpods Max sound impeccable when used over Bluetooth. And again, with spatial audio, the tracking, the head tracking, the entire scope that it provides is something like no other. And spatial audio is really the selling point for me when it comes to any Apple headphones. Even though they sound absolutely amazing compared to the competition, spatial audio just puts them way above that. Now, another big selling point is noise cancellation and transparency mode. So let's talk about that for a second. Airpods Max are by far up there in terms of noise cancellation with the PARs of the Sonys and the Bose, all of those, but I would say, especially in certain situations, the Airpods Max are 100% the best noise cancelling headphones that I have ever used. The active noise cancellation really provides an immersive experience, blocking out all external noise, and really, when you have it in transparency mode and you press that button, it just goes like this, and it is dead silent, and it really adds a lot to your listening experience and actually improves sound quality because all external noise is not being passed through. Now, on the other hand, transparency mode is by far the best out of any headset. We all know Apples are the master at this, and although some headphones like the Sonys have ambient mode, transparency mode on the Airpods Max are by far 10 times better, even better than the AirPods Pro. The transparency mode on the Airpods Max really do sound very natural. On the AirPods Pro, they sound a bit robotic-y, or they sound a bit weird, not like reality, but on the AirPods Max, they sound really true to life, and it is absolutely amazing. Now let's address the elephant in the room, the smart case. Now, the case is nothing to write home about. In fact, I don't even know if you can call it a case because it does very little to actually protect the headphones. So I actually had to go out and buy myself a carrying case for it. Many have criticized its unconventional design and its lack of protection. And while it may not be the best solution, it does allow the headset to go into what Apple calls a ultra low power mode, which then conserves battery life because there is no on and off switch on this headset. If you don't use the smart case, after 2 hours, it will go into the ultra low power mode, which then will conserve battery life. So you kind of do have to carry that case around if you want the full 20 hours of battery life that Apple advertises on their website. However, in the next iteration, I don't know when that is. Some are speculating 2024, 2025. We'll see when that is, but I really hope they make a big improvement to the case design. Now, undeniably, the AirPods Max are a premium and luxury listening experience and offer, and the price definitely reflects that. However, when considering all the features it has, active noise cancellation, impeccable sound quality, transparency mode, and the seamless integration with Apple devices, it does offer a great value for Apple enthusiasts and audiophiles who want a wireless listening experience. And if you're truly passionate about high quality wireless audio, the AirPods Max, despite its high price tag, is a great offer considering all that you get for it and its amazing build quality and amazing sound quality. And ear cups. Magnetic. Swappable. That means whenever you need to change these, which everyone should every once in a while, you can do that. All you do, pull a bit, and it magnetically connects. And it doesn't fall off at all. You do have to apply a bit of force to pull it off, but overall, this is amazing. And so wrapping up my review, the AirPods Max deliver in all categories. In both design and sound quality, its luxurious build, immersive sound, and that spatial audio is the defining factor. When watching movies with spatial audio head tracking, it is out of this world and it feels like you're actually there. While it may not be within everyone's budget, and that's understandable, there are amazing alternatives. The AirPods Max just deliver an experience like nothing else. There are very few products which have not really a competition, and Apple has some of those products, mainly the Mac Pro and also AirPods Max. Those kind of things don't really have competitors. And that's the thing. AirPods Max are in a class of its own. And so the question we're asking is the AirPods Max worth it in 2023? I say absolutely yes. Because the next iteration of the AirPods Max is not expected until next year or even the year after, maybe even not at all. So we'll see. It kind of feels like the AirPods Max are the HomePod, original HomePod, in terms of it not getting much support from Apple, so we may see it never have an update, and by me, I'm fine with that, although I would always look happy towards a new iteration. So while it may not be within everyone's budget, if you're really looking for an amazing audio experience, a luxury, and a premium listening experience, within the Apple's ecosystem, the AirPods Max are definitely a compelling case. And so that concludes my review on the AirPods Max. Let me know down in the comments below whether or not you guys have a set of AirPods Max, and whether or not you guys are thinking of getting one if you do not have one yet. Let me know down in the comments below. And so guys, thank you for watching. Please do go out and have a great day, and we shall see you in the next one.